Still waiting on the oil separator for it. And then we gotta put motor mounts, trans mounts. Got the motor mounts in, both of them in. Still gotta do the dog bone and the subframe. So hopefully we have the engine back in tomorrow. Yeah, we should have this thing possibly running tomorrow, we'll see. But we still gotta change the condenser, take that, the stock oil, what's it called? You gotta take the stock intercooler out, put the front end back on, and then we Gucci. Still gotta put spark plugs in here. Should be in today. I'm gonna let him do the spark plugs. I originally lost the spark plugs. I was gonna recap them, but I forgot them at the. I lost them. I don't know where they went. I don't know if I threw them in the trash, but I misplaced them. So I'm gonna give him the spark plugs, and he's gonna put them in himself. I like how this clutch feels. It got a good clutch bite to it.